Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you the latest and greatest in home and kitchen gadgets. Today, we're diving into the world of baking with the best cake-based solution you can find on the market, the 10pcs cake boards by WINKIO. These cake boards are a game changer for anyone who loves to bake cakes, pastries, or desserts. Let's break down why they're a must-have for your kitchen. First off, these cake boards come in a pack of 10, each measuring approximately 10 inches in diameter. This size is perfect for accommodating cakes ranging from 6 to 9 inches in diameter, offering versatility for various baking projects. But what sets these cake boards apart is their construction. Made from food-grade cardboard, they're safe for direct contact with food, ensuring the utmost hygiene for your baked creations. Plus, they're waterproof and oil-proof, thanks to a special coating that prevents absorption of moisture and grease. Another fantastic feature is the dual-sided design. One side of the cake board is coated with a shiny surface to repel oil and moisture, while the other side boasts a matte finish, providing enhanced grip to prevent your cake from slipping during transport. And let's talk about durability. These cake boards are no flimsy paper plates. They're sturdy enough to support both lightweight and heavy cakes without bending or buckling. Whether you're baking a simple sponge cake or a multi-tiered masterpiece, these boards have got you covered. Now, let's talk versatility. While they're perfect for cakes, these round cake boards can also double as serving trays for pies, bread, pastries, and even pizza. And if you're feeling creative, they make excellent bases for craft displays at events or parties. To wrap it up, the 10pcs cake boards by WINKIO are the ultimate solution for all your baking needs. From their food-grade material to their anti-oil and anti-slip properties, these cake boards deliver quality and reliability with every use. So, if you're ready to take your baking game to the next level, be sure to grab a pack of these cake boards today. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more product reviews on Product Critique.